Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Ultra Instinct in Jujutsu Shenanigans using a simple glitch. If you want to dodge attacks like a true master, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it step by step. And here is a quick settings checklist for the glitch. Have a friend or a second account in the server. And then, you need to activate Auto Dodge and Infinite Awakening. First, open Roblox and launch Jujutsu Shenanigans. Once you're in the game, go into your settings and make sure you do two things. 1. Turn on auto dodge. This makes your character automatically dodge attacks. 2. Turn on Infinite Awakening. This keeps your awakening mode active permanently, making the glitch last longer. Make sure you have at least one friend with you in the server, or log in with a second account in another device. This is necessary so that when you restart your character, the server keeps you connected properly. After adjusting the settings, select any character you want. No special character is required. Then, during the gameplay, use a move that causes a long or flash animation, like a teleport or a special dash. Here's the important part. While the animation is still playing, quickly press Ask, click Reset Character, and confirm the reset as fast as you can. Key tips for the glitch. Use a character with a long animation, like dash, teleport, or a special move. Reset during the animation by pressing Ask and reset the character. Make sure you're not alone in the server. You need a friend or a second account to keep the glitch from disconnecting you. When you respawn, your character will be glitched into Ultra Instinct mode, moving and dodging attacks automatically. You can now walk around, fight enemies, and look unstoppable. And that's it. This was the full tutorial on how to use Ultra Instinct in Jujutsu Shenanigans. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.